Hello students, let's learn something new today in episode 6, that is long vowel pronunciation. Today we will step into a higher grade. We will get a brief idea about long vowels and short vowels. There are some extra short vowel sounds too. The length of the sound produced by a vowel or a pair of vowels determine the vowel as a long or short vowels. So, while identifying long or short vowels, don't go for its spelling, but note its pronunciation. Like I, when pronounced in lit, lit, it is a short vowel. O, when pronounced in cot, cot, it is a short sound. Double O, that is oo, when used in foot, 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 is a short vowel. But that same combination of vowel, double O, when used in goose, 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 see, the length of the vowel is much greater than the pronunciation in foot. So goose, here it is a long vowel. So in today's class we will learn some words with long vowel sounds as well as some short vowel sounds. In the previous episodes you have learned pronunciations of vowel sounds. So you know that there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Today I have aimed at acquainting you with some team of vowels. Yes, when 2 vowels sit together, that combination of double vowels act as a team of sound. As for example, E plus E, E plus A, O plus O, U plus A. See, A, E, I, O, U, these all are vowels, and 2 vowels sit together and creates a different sounds. So let's read some words with double vowel sounds. What is a diphthong? When more than one vowels are combined together to form a compound sound, that combination of vowels is called a diphthong. Let's start with A plus E sound. But note, A and E are not sitting together. There is always a consonant sound in between A and E. So read with me. ACE words. FACE face, RACE race, LACE less, PACE pace. ADE words. MADE made, TRADE tread, SHADE shed, SPADE sped. AGE words. STAGE stage, CAGE cage, AGE edge, WAGE wedge. AKE words. SHAKE shake, MAKE make, TAKE take, BAKE bake. ALE words. TALE tell, PALE pell, WHALE well, SALE cell, AME words, GAME game, FAME fem, FLAME flame, BLAME blame, AVE words, GRAVE grave, SLAVE slave, WAVE wave, SHAVE shave, ATE words, GATE gate, LATE let, PLATE plate, HATE het. So learn these words. Don't struggle with the meanings now. Only learn to pronounce these words and read. A plus I words. AIR, air, HAIR, hair, PAIR, pair, CHAIR, chair. EID words. PAID, paid, LAID, laid, MAID, made, SAID, said. AIN words. MAIN, main, PLAIN, plain, DRAIN, drain, SLAIN, slain, PAIN, pain, GAIN, gain, RAIN, rain, TRAIN, train. AIL words. HAIL, hail, BAIL, bail, SAIL, sail, FAIL, fail, MAIL, mail, NAIL, nail, SNAIL, snail, WAIL, well. EY words. Yes, though Y is not a vowel, but it is sometimes used as semi-vowels. So, BAY, bay, AMAY, may, PAY, pay, DAY, day. So look, in all the words, pronunciation of both A and I are maintained. So these are compound sounds. So these are all diphthongs. E plus U, O sound. Look, these words seem difficult to read. It seems that these are some difficult words, tough. But once you know the pronunciation of this TIM, AU, you can easily read these words. So break it into syllables like AUO, DIT, dit, or dit, AUO, DIO, DO, or DO. This is actually a trisyllabic word like AUO, DID, O, or DO. Autumn. You know autumn is a season. August. August is a month. Author. Author means writer. Auction. Applause. Astronaut. Look how big the word is. But you can fight with these words if you know the pronunciation of TIM vowels or double vowel sounds. Now, the next column, audience, audition, automatic, because, auto, 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 mobile, automobile, caution, fraud, 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 P-A-U-S-E, pause. So, practice these words. It will improve your reading capacity. Now, team of E vowels. Let us start with E plus A. This is actually pronounced as A. Sometimes it is E, long E. Like head, braid, sprayed, trade. Look, I have classified two categories of pronunciation. The first three columns, it has a pronunciation like A, when EA is pronounced as E. And the last three columns, there are words where EA is pronounced as E. Let's see. H-E-A-D, head. B-R-E-A-D, bread. S-P-R-E-A-D, spread. T-R-E-A-D, trade. Same way, dead, breath. Yes, this is breath. Sometimes we pronounce it like also breathe. Feather, leather, treasure, pleasure, measure, weather. Now, EA when it is pronounced as E. Beast, B-E-A-S-T, beast. E-A-T, eat. E-A-S-T, east. B-E-A-N, bin. So see, here E-A is pronounced as E. Same way, meet, hit, knit. This E-A sound is actually a short vowel sounds like knit. N-E-A-T, knit. But when you utter words like need, N-E-E-D, need. So this E sound is a long vowel sound. But here, N-E-A-T, knit, E, a short vowel. So, meet, hit, knit, mill, diff, speak, instead, bit. Learn these words. Now note that in all these words, be it head or be it treasure or be it leaf, be it meat, nowhere in these words the sound of A is pronounced. So, E and A, there are two vowels, but these vowels do not produce a combined sounds. So, only the sound of E is prominent, either in A form or in E form, but only the sound of E is prominent in each and every word. So these are not compound sound, that's why these are not diphthongs, these are only double vowels. Double E sound, E plus E. Double E is generally long vowel sounds like B, B-double-E-B. If you used a single E like B-E, it would be B. But this is B-double-E, B, fee, see, tree, bip, dip, slip, hip. Look, here the pronunciation is shorter than B. Shit, street, chick, cheese, grin, pill, hill, between. Whatever, when you find double E in a word, you pronounce it like E, not A. E. Now E plus I words. This is very tough spelling. So please practice these spellings. R-E-I-G-N, rain. E-I-G-H-T, 8. Look, E and I sit beside. They are sitting together. So this is a team of vowels. V-E-I-L, veil. CEILING, ceiling. Likewise, laser, foreign, never, vain. So E plus I is pronounced as A. Okay. In words with double E, a long E is pronounced. So, B, beep, shit, green. There is no double sound. There is no compound sound. So, these are not diphthongs. So, double E is only long E, but it is not a diphthong. It is only double vowels. In cases with E plus I word, how would you understand whether it is diphthong or not? Look, in words like receive, perceive, CEI. Yes, so EI are sitting together, but only E sound is produced. Like receive, there is no I sound. So only single sound and no compound sound. So in words like receive, perceive, deceive, CEI or EI, these double vowels are not diphthongs. But in words like rain, ate, veil, not that there is a slight pronunciation of I. Rain, ate. In ate, it is very much prominent. So this is double vowel sound, but this is compound sound. So in words like rain, ate, laser, foreign, these are all vain. So these are all diphthongs. E plus U, euro, Q. This is a very tough spelling. Please practice the spelling. Note the spelling. QUEUE. Q. Europe, European. Now I have added some words with E plus Y and E plus W because these are pronounced often as semi-vowels. So KEY, key, honey, valley, obey. So EY can be pronounced both as E and A. Look, in key it is E, KEY, key. But in obey, this is OBEY, obey, not OB, obey. Now come to the EW words. Blue, BLEW, blue. Crew, new, screw, mew. Jewel, renew, interview. Practice the spellings and learn to read these words. When two vowels are pronounced together, they are called diphthongs. So, let us learn some diphthongs with I plus A. There are few words with IA sounds like giant, 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 LIAR, liar, denial, burial. Now go to I plus E words. CHIEF, chief, BRIEF, brief, THIEF, thief, GRIEF, grief, BELIEF, belief, RELIEF, relief, TIER, tire. Look, here it is tire. Movie, MOVIE, movie. SHIELD, shield. FIELD, field. PIECE, peace. So these are very difficult words for spelling. Note the spelling and mug up. I plus U. STADIUM. Stadium. So IUM. Yum. Aquarium. IUS. Yes. Like genius. Celsius. IA and IU words. In words like giant, liar, sounds of both I and A are prominent. So, this is a diphthong. IU, like in stadium, aquarium. Look, sound of I and U, both the sounds are present here. So this is also a diphthong. But in case of IE, like chief, brief, thief, look, only I sound is prominent. So only one sound, no compound sound. So this is not a compound sound and this is not a diphthong. This is an example of only double vowels. O family diphthongs. O plus A. There are so many words. SOAP, soap. LOAF, loaf. BOAT, boat. FLOT, float. So look, OA doesn't mean OA always. This is O, a long O. So, loaf, boat, float, like coat, roast, road, load, oak. Okay. O plus W. O. BOW. Bow. But CROW. Crow. SHOW. Show. SLOW. Slow. Same way. Snow. Low. Glow. Throw. Yellow. Hollow. Pillow. Below. No. KNOW, no. K is silent here. Grow. Elbow. Hollow. O plus I. SOIL, soil. BOIL, boil. FOIL, foil. TOIL, toil. COIN, coin. JOIN, join. Likewise, double O, O plus O, it creates oo sound, oo. Book, roof, pool, wood, moon, food, full, Google. O plus U, hour, round, so ow sound. Found, sound, loud, count, south, mouth, out. So O plus U, ow sound. OI words. Soil, boil, foil. So both the sounds of O and I are present. So oil, here OI is a diphthong. But in oo, double O, O is sometimes pronounced as oo, but sometimes as O. Like when after words like book, roof, this is O. But words like pour, look, this is pour, this is not pour. So In pour, this is diphthong, but in book, roof, pool, this is not a diphthong. OU words, hour, around, found, this is always a diphthong because you cannot but pronounce the sounds of both O and U. So clear? Now last but not the least, U sound, diphthongs with U sound. U plus A. Actual. Look, the spelling is ACTUAL. But TUAL often is pronounced as actual. Manual. U plus E. Glue. GLUE, glue. CLUE, clue. TRUE, true. Statue. Due, rescue. So sometimes it is U, sometimes it is U. Due, rescue. But in glue, this is glue, U sound. And U, due, U sound. So UE is pronounced both as U and U, like glue and dew. Now U plus I. Juice, juice. Suit, recruit, cruise. Slight long pronunciation of U. Juice, suit, recruit, cruise. So learn to pronounce these words. It will improve or strengthen your reading capability. Now sing with me a nursery song. Yes, you all know this rhyme. This is your favorite one, I know. But 1, 2, 3, start. Ba, black sheep have any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dam, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Yes, once again. Ba, black sheep have any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dam, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Come on, sing. Write all these words in cursive style. Pronounce words while reading. Notice the style of pronunciation of each diphthong and mug of spelling. All the best.